This video will guide you on how to choose or customize a power plan in your computer. Now, if you are using laptop, you will find the power options here. Just hover your mouse, then right click and power option. Another, if you are using desktop, then you can hover this Windows logo, then right click and this one power option. So here, a power plan is collection of hardware system like display, brightness, sleep, and etc. So we have three plans or options. If we will select this power saver, this one shows more brighter, and if we will choose this high performance also, it's look also almost the same with the power saver. However, this one is you may use more energy than this power saver. So I recommend we'll choose this balance, this one. Then you can adjust here manually. It's up to you. Then go to change plan settings. Then go to change advanced power settings. Here, then go to hard disk and click this plus, turn off hard disk after. Here we have options to if you are using battery or plug-in. You can choose also, as you can see here, I choose never. Why? I choose never because I just let my computer active while I'm sleeping. If I'm playing some videos or attending live streaming, that's why I use this one, so that even I'm sleeping, still I'm active, or my laptop or computer still active. Because if we will choose this one 30 minutes, automatically your hard disk will shut down, or your system will shut down after the corresponding minutes that you input here. That's why I choose never. But it's your discretion. Not necessarily you need to follow, but this is my settings, because as what I've told you, I use my laptop active while I'm sleeping. So this is the first one. Then next, I choose also here sleep, because that one is hard disk, automatically will shut down. Here it's only to sleep. I also keep my computer active, that's why I choose never. Then you can also, this one is only sleep, it will become dim here, but your system still working. So I use also this one never, because I don't have lampshade, so I choose, I let my computer active, then just only adjust the brightness. The last one, this one is the display. Here, turn off display after. I choose never, so that if I woke up, I can see the progress or the status of my computer while playing someone video or attending live streaming. So this is it. So just choose this one if necessary. So again, we'll recap. Just if you're using laptop, just hover your mouse on this icon, right click and power option. And also, if you are using desktop, just hover your mouse in Windows logo, right click, and Power Options. Then go to Change Plan Settings and select Change Advanced Power Settings, and you can choose this one. Hard disk, sleep, you can adjust here, sleep after, and display. So this is it. This is how to choose or customize a power plan with your computer. Thank you and God bless.